Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. I want to talk a little bit about all the Canadian-made products that we have in the shop. You've known that we've carried a lot of Canadian-made, and the reason why is something that we need to pay attention to. We're supporting local artists. They're able to support other artists in the community. People love to hear the story about the artists that we know. This is an artist from Saskatchewan, for example, so we can tell you all about these artists and how they're creating their art. Customers also love that they can get to know the staff that are in the shop and the owners. They get to ask them questions about how business is going and how they're supporting the community and what we might be doing to support the community, because it's really important that we do support the community. CFIB states that for every dollar spent locally, 66 cents stays locally, whereas if you're going with a big box store or big conglomerates, only a portion of it, a very small portion of it, stays in Canada. So some great reasons to buy local and support local is we get some beautiful products from beautiful artists. It's a great way to support them. You support a local business, which in turn supports other local businesses and local artists. We hire staff. It's more pleasant because we can tell you a little something about these products, and we can learn about these artists and what their life is like, and it makes for a much more beautiful gift when you're buying a gift for someone, and something that's longer lasting for our community. So support Canadian, buy local. Thank you very much for joining me.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.